In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without spending money on paid ads or needing a website. Have you ever wondered if this really works and is it worth trying this year? Let me show you a method that not a lot of people are talking about, which might be pretty lucrative for you. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the video. Here's what you need to do. Go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is straightforward. After completing it, you'll have an account and see a homepage like this. It's very simple. Just scroll down to the community section and click on affiliate. This will take you directly to the Fiverr affiliate website. You can visit this website to get an idea of how much you can earn for each service you promote with Fiverr as an affiliate. They offer attractive commissions, and affiliate marketing through Fiverr can be quite profitable. To join the Fiverr affiliate program, click on the Join Now button. This will take you to the sign up page. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and select your account type. Make it private. Indicate if you have a main source of traffic. Choose your country and language, and optionally enter your Skype account. If you don't have a Skype account, that's fine. Just leave it blank. Click Next to complete the sign-up process. Once you finish signing up, you'll be directed to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, which will look similar to this example. Guys, quick interruption here. I just wanted to show you that I created the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Guide for beginners, and this will help you to start this journey with affiliate marketing, especially on Pinterest. This is called Build a Business That Makes You $100 a Day. And this guide is completely free. It costs $0. Of course, you can add some tips because I created more than 5,000 words, 52 pages guide just for you. And this says what you learn inside, why this guide is a must, and who is this for. You can read this through, and it has 5-star rating, and people like this product. I'll leave it down in the description. Just click the link and you land in this page. Now let's go back to our video. Here's what you need to do next. Choose good and profitable services to promote on Pinterest to earn commissions. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. One profitable affiliate link which I would recommend taking a look at is logo design. It is currently very popular. Pinterest has its own free tool called Pinterest Trends, which gives you insights into what people are searching for on the platform. Here I've entered the keyword logo design. The graph shows how interest has changed over the past year, with the line going up and down depending on how often users searched for this term. As you can see, interest in logo design stays fairly steady, with small peaks at different times of the year. For example, in January 2024, searches spiked slightly, which could be tied to people starting new projects at the beginning of the year. This type of data is useful because it helps you identify whether a topic is consistently popular, seasonal, or growing in demand. And if you're creating content or products around these keywords, you can time your efforts to match when interest is highest. To find it on Fiverr, click on the search bar and type logo design. This will take you to a page with many sellers offering logo design services. Select a service that stands out and promote it to start earning commissions. Pay close attention to this step. Always choose reputable sellers. Look for level 1 and level 2 sellers, or those with many positive reviews, or even the ones that have a Fiverr's Choice label on them. If people click on your affiliate link and find these sellers reliable, they are more likely to buy the service, earning you a commission. For example, let's check this top-rated seller with many reviews. Clicking on their service takes you directly to their Fiverr profile. You can see the number of orders in their queue, 7 orders, which indicates high demand. This seller has sold many services, showing that people are consistently buying from them. This popularity and reliability make them a good choice for promoting and earning commissions. Next, copy the seller's profile link. Go to your Fiverr affiliate account, navigate to Marketing Tools, and then click on Default and Deep Links. On the Deep Link page, paste the seller's profile link and click Save. You've now created your first Fiverr affiliate link. The final step is to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, here's how to get started. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, and sign up using your email address. Make sure to open a business account, not a personal one. Once you're done, this will be your homepage. Pinterest is a great choice because it has 1 billion monthly visitors, offering immense traffic potential. If you use good and trending services, you can earn significant money from Pinterest affiliate marketing. Millions of people search for specific services and products on Pinterest every day, making it a valuable platform for affiliate marketing. First, navigate to the home feed and select Create Pin. You'll arrive at the pin creation page. Return to the seller's profile and search for suitable pictures. Choose a good one. Click on the image related to their service. It looks impressive, especially their logos. Double-click on the picture, then save image to your laptop, naming it logo. Return to Pinterest, click to upload the picture. Select the logo file, open it. Your image will upload accordingly. Provide a title, description, and your affiliate link. Next, return to the seller's profile page. Copy their title and paste it on Pinterest. To find the description, return to the seller's profile page and locate the gig details. Copy the description provided there, then navigate back to Pinterest and paste this description in the appropriate field. Scroll down and insert your affiliate link. Return to your Fiverr affiliate account. To retrieve the link, copy your affiliate link from here. Now, as you can see, this link is kind of a long one and doesn't look too appealing, but there's a way to change this. Let me quickly show you how. Go to bit.ly.com, click on Create New, click on Link and paste your link into the destination area. Once that's done, just click on Create. As the result of this, you get a new link which is way more appealing. Return to Pinterest and paste your affiliate link in this section. Click on Choose a Board. If you're new, click Create a Board and name it. You can create multiple boards as needed. Scroll down, click on Tags, and enter keywords related to this service. Wondering how to find keywords? Return to the seller's profile page. Scroll down to find related tags. Copy these keywords, then paste them on Pinterest. Once done, click Publish. Congratulations, you've successfully posted your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. Alright, that's how you can begin Pinterest affiliate marketing and effectively promote your affiliate links using free traffic. This approach helps you select profitable services. You can observe its success with active purchases, reviews, and orders in the queue. This popular service is trending on Fiverr, attracting returning customers. Utilize Pinterest's vast traffic potential with its 1 billion monthly visitors to promote your affiliate links and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. I've covered many methods on my YouTube channel. Feel free to visit and explore. I share all these methods freely on my channel. If you are interested in starting to earn money through affiliate marketing as a beginner without a website or paid ads, that's all you need to know. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.